Well, we got out of here last night at 10 o'clock. So it's Sunday, 3:30, and I did absolutely nothing. I know there's different people that, like different things. Like some people really love the paint and stuff. Some people really love the Comet stuff. Some people want to see the Ford Maverick done. So I know we got a lot of different things on this channel, kind of unique, but I don't know. I actually filmed a video last night on how you can win all these giveaway cars for free without purchasing nothing, but I have not edited it down, and I decided not to post it for today, but eventually I'll get that posted. But last night we got the hood painted, so we painted the perimeter only because the insulation goes in the center, and I didn't want to waste my time scuffing all this stuff up, so I just left that. So we got the hood painted, and then we got the let me see if I can find my guide coat. So we need some guide coat this morning. Where is my guide coat at? It's a lovely thing about having stuff scattered everywhere, is you can never find anything. Well, looks like we're gonna be finding where the guide coat is here in a minute. You gotta throw guide coat on your primer, and it's easier to do it. I didn't do it last night, so it's easier to do it before you unmask everything, because as you can see right now, I can just take the guide coat and just go over it, and it'll get all over the plastic but not on the vehicle. Whereas if you unmask your vehicle first, then you'll have to hold up cardboard or something so that you don't get guide coat over everything, or you'll need to use a powder form guide coat. I use mine in a rattle can. If you use powder guide coat, then you can kind of just rub it on the area that you need, but it's also easy just to go ahead and do it right now. So I got everything, this area that I globbed on here. Still got a little edge to knock down, but that turned out good. So got all that done. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna try to be out of here before dinner time. So try to be out here before like 5 or 6. It's 3:30. It won't give me a lot. It's an hour and a half. But dude, I gotta find some guide coat. See, this is empty, and I know I bought a whole can of it. Oh, kill me now. I should just dumped some black in my gun last night and just went ahead and knocked it out. So we're gonna try to paint the fenders and the hood today and get that done. We're gonna go ahead and put the hood on the vehicle, fit it. Hopefully all of our clearances are good so that this process is just fast, and then block out a primer and paint the fenders and the hood. So the bumper last night, I got all the plastic repaired on the bumper. I come on the inside and we did patches on the inside with our plastic repair. We had this clamped together overnight. So we patched all that, patched that one, patched a lot of these tabs, even though I guarantee you they're probably gonna break. Again, I really don't expect them to hold. It's just while I had the plastic repair gun out, I went ahead and done them. But I'm not gonna worry about that. I started grinding on it last night, as you can see, and I was just rushing it. So it was like tearing off, ripping off because it wasn't fully dry. So we're not gonna really worry about that today. We're gonna work on that throughout the week because the front bumper is not keeping me from driving it, but the headlights not being here keeping me from driving it because I can't drive, obviously, the Tahoe without headlights, but I can drive it without a front bumper. So headlights are more important. Fenders and hood are more important than that. So let's get these done. This week or Monday, we'll start on the bumper and get the body work done on it and get it in primer like on my lunch break. And then maybe Tuesday we'll be able to get the bumper painted, and then maybe install this at the house like Thursday or Friday or something, put it on somewhere in between there, because Wednesday we may be taking the Comet up to Jason to get headers done. So let me jump into this and get at this. I can't find my new can of guide coat. I have no clue where it went. So when this fails and you're at your house and you run out of guide coat, or you don't have guide coat, you don't want to go buy a guide coat, just get you some spray paint. Any color will really work, as long as it's not gray on gray primer or white on gray primer, because it's hard to see. And then just come in here, and all you're gonna do is just put a little bit on, because spray paint is not exactly the best to be sanding on, because it likes to gum paper up. But we want to be able to at least see what we're doing, and this stuff is coming out thick. Big old dots. Guide coat comes out a lot thinner, so that's all you want. Coverage like that. Man, we are done with this front end. I put a couple little runs in it. I'm about to take care of at the house, but we are done. First thing I'm gonna do when this Tahoe, good God, we're gonna clean that edge up. She wet. Drippage. First thing I do whenever this Tahoe lets me go and stops holding me hostage is I'm gonna go to the racetracks and see if everybody remembers who I am and see if I still have racetrack friends. This thing has held me hostage for like a month now. Got the front end done. All we have left to paint is the front bumper and 2 mirror caps. That is it. So this week, like, let's see here, Monday or Tuesday? I think Tuesday, we should be getting some more parts in. But she's ready to go to the house, just about. I can assemble everything else at the house. So that's a wrap. It's Sunday afternoon. It is late. I'm ready to go to the house. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna edit a video, drop a weekend video for y'all, this video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks, y'all.